Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We are looking at our math homework for Monday, October 1st, 2012. And before you begin, make sure you've looked at both sides of your paper and put in your name and date in every appropriate place. You have to do that before you start. Okay, so we're concentrating on problem number 1, which says write 1,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4 in standard form, written form, and you have to draw a base 10 model to match the number above. First, let's recognize that this is expanded form. They've broken the number apart by place value: thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. So in standard form, we would just write the digits. We need to know what number this represents. 1,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 4 represents the number 1,214. So how do we write that in standard form? 1,214. Then they ask for the written form. Of course, written form is when you spell out the words. So you have to be able to say it before you can write it. 1,214. So we'll spell 1,000, 200, T-W-O for 2, H-U-N-D-R-E-D for 100, and 14 would be spelled F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. There are no hyphens needed to spell 14. You only use your hyphens when you're spelling numbers 21 through 99, such as 35 or 76 or 88. So you have 1,214, but you need a comma to separate your ones period from your thousands period. So remember, you use hyphens and commas when you use word form, but only in the appropriate places. Finally, you have to draw a base 10 model to match the number above. We have 1,000, so we will draw 1,000 block. That's when you draw the squares overlapping one another and you connect the corners using line segments. So this block represents 1,000. For your hundreds place, you have 200, so you will need 2 hundreds blocks. That's where we draw 2 large squares and we label both of them with 100. Now notice I did not put 100 here and 200 there because that would equal 300. We only have 200. So each hundredths block is worth 100. And when you put both of these hundreds together, you get 200. Now for 14, in the tens place, we have 110. So we need to draw 1 tens block. And that is your vertical rectangle, very slender, and you would label the bottom 10. So I wouldn't put 10 and 20 and 30. I'd put 10, 10, 10 each time because each tens block is worth 10. And your ones place, you would have 4 ones. That's going to be 4 small squares, and you label each of these small squares with the number 1. So you don't put 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. You label each small square with a 1 because 4 ones will give you a total of 4. So now we have 1,214 shown as a base 10 model. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, just email me at ClassJump. Thank you.